Hey guys, I really hope you've enjoyed the first lessons of this series. Hope you understand how important it is to have solid technique and fundamentals in the violin, no matter what level you're at. What I highly recommend is for you guys to get involved in my classes. So I basically have classes that are free every Tuesday nights for students at the intermediate level, beginner level. I also have classes for fiddlers. I have classes that are really helpful to help you improve on the violin. And it's great to be involved in a community as well. So I have Facebook groups that you can get involved in and get good tips. Because basically, if you're not being held accountable or understand the vision of violin, your brain can be your worst enemy. You can get to the point where you think you're supposed to be progressing at this pace, but really you're just going through hurdles that every violinist goes through that's important to understand to really progress. So I highly recommend you get involved in those classes on a weekly basis and then join the Facebook group. So I have links right here that you can easily access those pages on my website. And then what I also recommend is for you to check out anything on my website related to blog articles, related to just improving on the violin. So if you haven't checked out the site yet, I highly recommend you do so. I'm available via the live chat as well as through support on email. So if you have any questions about how you're doing or what's happening with your progress, I can definitely help you out. And my vision is to create more lessons like the ones I've created, very fundamentally based, and actually take you through songs and tutorials and books, and just keep emphasizing all the things that can happen and that you need to be working on with drills and fundamentals. So definitely be looking out for more playlists from me in the near future if you haven't already done so. So thank you so much for being a student through this series. I hope it's really benefited you. And if you have any questions, just feel free to visit our website, and I'm sure that we'll be able to help you. Hope to see you in the classes that happen every week. I'm sure you'll find a lot of benefit from those as well.